Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to configure app level SEO in Bubble. The first thing I want you to do is actually come here to the left hand panel, click on this gear cog, it will take you to your settings, and then here under web app click on SEO and meta tags. Then I want you to scroll down until you reach SEO settings, and then you'll see header and customization. We have different options here. The first thing I want you to do is actually toggle this one on, expose the type of tags for text elements. Go ahead and click on this checkbox. What this will do, it will go ahead and expose the type of tags for the text elements, for example H1, H2, heading 1, heading 2, things like that, which are critical for page SEO. And then what we'll do, we will go ahead and enable this one right here as well. We have expose a sitemap file. This one will help Google find all your public pages. So toggle this one on, and you can go ahead and make sure that you have all these pages that are added to the sitemap file. So make sure everything here is toggled on, for example. And then what I want you to do is go ahead and have this one enabled as well. So this is basically the canonical URLs. This will prevent duplicate content issues. Toggle this one on as well. Then finally, you just scroll up here. You'll see social meta tags. Go ahead and fill in your site name. Go ahead and have the title, a basic description. This basically acts as a fallback meta tag as well. And you can also upload a default thumbnail image for social media sharing. So you click here, go ahead and have your logo, for example, open it up, and it will go ahead and upload right here. And once you click out of it, it will automatically save. And that is how to configure app level SEO in Bubble.